You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.
The Crayola Glitter Dots expert. As you all know, glitter dots are the less mess way to play with glitter. In fact, that means you can play with them almost anywhere, including my car. That's where we're gonna have today's Glitter Dots Challenge. Our contestants are Sandy and JJ. For this challenge, both girls are going to be decorating one of these nifty phone cases. But they'll have to open their lap desks to find out who's using glitter and who's using glitter dots. It looks like Sandy has glitter dots and JJ has glitter. 3, 2, 1, let's craft! It looks like Sandy's starting off with a teal glitter dot at the top of her phone case. Let's see what JJ's up to. She's spreading some glue around. Sandy's got her glitter dot all at the top. It's very precise. Let's see how JJ's doing. Wow, JJ's tray is a little bit messy. Sandy's speeding along, looking very neat and precise. I love the chevron pattern that Sandy's doing. Whoa, JJ has a ton of glitter. It's getting everywhere. Look at JJ's hands. JJ's hands are so sparkly and her station is really messy. But Sandy's is so precise and it looks like she's cleaning up using her glitter dots. It looks like they're both almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
You want a high five, Sandy? No, thank you.
Both these phone cases are glitter-tastic, but we all know there can only be one winner. And today, that winner is Sandy! Now we know what that means. Sandy gets a glitter dot celebration! And JJ gets a glitter drop.
Wait, a glitter drop in my car? This might have been a bad idea. Well, girls, after this challenge, we're gonna do the Crayola Glitter Dots Car Wash Challenge! All right, Sandy, are you ready for your glitter dot celebration? Thanks for watching our Glitter Dots Challenge! Be sure to like and subscribe for more Glitter Dots videos. See you next time. Bye! You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.